US President Joe Biden and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi condemn cross border terror, call for 2611 perpetrators to be brought to justice. US President Joe Biden joined Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in condemning cross border terrorism and called for the perpetrators of the 2611 Mumbai terror attacks to be brought to justice. Meeting for their first in person bilateral on September 25th, neither leader directly mentioned Pakistan, but the reference was obvious. They also denounced any use of terrorist proxies and emphasized the importance of denying any logistical, financial, or military support to terrorist groups which could be used to launch and plan terror attacks. The leaders reaffirmed their stand to take concerted action against all terrorist groups, including groups proscribed by the UN 1267 Sanctions Committee. Indian Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla said in a briefing that President Biden and Prime Minister Modi gave very careful consideration on the support given to certain hardline elements in Afghanistan, including terrorist groups by a neighbor of Afghanistan.
The two sides underscored the importance of combating terrorism in Afghanistan. They called on Taliban to adhere to these and all of its commitments under Resolution 2593. That includes, obviously, the issue of, as I said, ensuring that Afghan territory is not used to threaten or attack any countries, to shelter or train terrorist groups, to plan or finance terrorist attacks, and underscored, as I said, the importance of combating terrorism in Afghanistan. It also called upon the respect to human rights of women, children, minorities, provision of humanitarian assistance and access to humanitarian workers, and of course called upon the two sides to secure an inclusive political negotiated settlement in Afghanistan.
The US and India would be organizing a counter-terrorism joint working group meeting, a designations dialogue, and there is also going to be a renewed US-India homeland security dialogue in the areas of law enforcement and security. Both nations will develop counter-terrorism technologies. Modi also raised with Biden an expanding access for Indian professionals to the US and the H-1B visa process. Modi's discussions with US Vice President Harris also emphasized counter-terrorism efforts and the need to closely monitor Pakistan's support for terrorist groups.